tell you this myself. Java jai begged kuti gringo uya kusvika pakutumira akatumira 4,000 rands muaccount mangu zvikanzi akwira ndege uye so that he can take a picture and also make me a clown. I don't mix nemadhodhi, because the moment you mix nemadhodhi watodhodhiwo mweya wedhodhi unokutera nekwese kwaunoenda. Your relevance become stupid, because now manje ukamira paari manje kokana akabopiwa mari nekamuka minister kokana akapiwa mari nachangu handichakwanisa kuudza changu achokwadi because anenge achiti bata ijava mufana wake uyo akadya mari yedu futsek andimira mumadhodhini. I told you, Robert Mugabe akauya panapa ndikamuudza ndikati mfana wangu, stop associating, so don't be a groupie. Fucking shit. Why are you becoming a groupie? People will never respect you when you become a groupie. They can't respect you. You mix with rubbish. Mweya wedhodhi unoenda newe ndawasvika pariri. Why do you want to be associated, the spirit of association? Young people, right now we cannot do certain decisions because we can't do certain decisions. We can't even make certain decisions because we have associated with certain people. We've associated with certain people, and those people now, they're holding us ransom. No, you can't say that. Yeah, no, that you can't say. We have young people, young girls looking for jobs. A young person give a woman, a young lady, gives you a CV, you give her a job, a ridiculous job. You offer her $150. She's happy because the country is in. The next thing, what kind of a leader are you? What kind of a leader are you? What kind of a leader are you? You can't be sober-minded. Everything is run. You don't company because you have been put in power. You want to fuck everyone. Everyone must be your bitch. You want to go out there and say, Inda mutida kutyisa vanhu zvokuti munosvika pakuti nemagirlfriends chacho mutaundi vapana vari kufonerwa ngo siya munhu iye ndiye mukuru wekuti asekutsenge maniwe kana andibvuma mani nonsense kutyisidzira vana mutaundi.